अदाकार प्रकाश राज इंतखाबी तशहीर में पूरे जोश खरोश के साथ जुट गए हैं। इंतखाबी मंशूर के लिए वो जमीनी सतह पर लोगों का जायजा ले रहे हैं। आपको बता दें कि साल के शुरू में ही प्रकाश राज ने बाज़ाब्ता सियासत में आने का ऐलान किया था। बेंगलुरु सेंट्रल से वो इंतखाब लड़ रहे हैं। आज़ाद उम्मीदवार के तौर पर वो मैदान में उतरेंगे।
So we have these 8 assembly segments here in this MP constituency, Bangalore Central. So we have 8 teams with 8 autos, which branded on seeking people's manifesto. We are going to people and collecting the data and their aspirations and what they need to tell us. And I personally will be caressing the whole 8 assembly constituencies by going to the people, talking to them, trying to find out what they need. And probably after that, once we bring in, we will document it, and then the specialists of our team will sit and try to find out what could be the people's manifesto. Because when we say citizen in parliament, when we say citizens' voice in parliament, we need to address those voices, we need to address those issues, we need to think back that how certain issues have been not attended for so many years. So this is a way to reach out to people and to empower people to speak their heart out and then sit and create a citizens' manifesto.